Hey guys, okay, so we're actually running a little bit late, but we're gonna go inside and we're gonna see how much of the wedding we could get. But oh my gosh, everyone, it's my girl. She's getting married today. I'm so excited. They've been together for years, and like legit, I was there from the beginning. I was there from the Okay guys, they are officially married. Like we said, we actually came late, but we did catch a little bit of the ceremony. Oh, you were king. No, we're loyal. But we did make it. Right now we're going up to kiss, congratulate. To kiss and congratulate. So it's in your Greek tradition, eh? Yeah. It's in a Greek tradition that you go and give 2 kisses like this.
The dance floor because we're just gonna start. Can I get everybody out of their seat, please? Make your way down and turn it up. Let's go.
Who would have thought that you and I would be standing here today, but here we are. To my bride, I love you. Words can't describe, nor an endless amount of stories can tell how lucky I am to have you. To finally be here with you is everything I imagined. I promise to love you, hold you, and grow very, very old with you. Today, you became my wife, my other half, and I can't wait for all the blessings we will wait for together. You have stuck by me through the best and worst times, and loved all that I am. You have always, and always will, help me to be the finest version of me that I can be, and I will always be grateful for that. So I guess to finish in a traditional way, I, Calvin, take thee, Melanie, to be my wedded wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer. Yeah. I'm a sparky, yeah? Yeah, got that, we got that overtime, yeah? Overtime. In sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part.
Calvin, Calvin, Calvin. Where do I begin? Let's go from the very start. From the very first day I met you, you changed my world. Your contagious smile, your friendly nature and incredible energy is something that I'm continually falling in love with. Should I add that you look just as delicious tonight as the first time I saw you? You have come a long way from the young boy in those red Vans and that Asic t-shirt that pretty much most people know the story about. As your now wife standing before you, I promise to forever be here, to stand with you through all your blessings, triumphs, downfalls and losses, to support you always and always be on your team, and most of all, love you with all my heart unconditionally. I already know life with you is beautiful. You make loving you effortless. I look forward to spending all my days making magic happen with you as my now husband, and I love you very much.
Alright family, so we've come to the end of this vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching Sera's friend Mal, and also my friend Calvin celebrate their beautiful day today. Big shout out to you guys. If you can family, go down below in the comment section, hashtag congratulations Mr. and Mrs. Demonte. D''M-O-N-T-E.
Okay fam, so we just wanted to wish a massive congratulations to Calvin and Melanie. Just know that we love you. Thank you for having us be a part of your beautiful day. You looked absolutely amazing, Mal. My girl Mal looked absolutely beautiful. She made such a stunning bride. And our boy Calvin, you looked very, very handsome today. You put a ring on it. But family, we love you guys so much. Like we always say, don't forget to
like, comment, share, and subscribe.
We love you TNS family. So far.
So far.